Hey there guys, welcome to KSED's double box break number 401 of 13-14 Panini Dominion. Last thing that ended in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on February 16th at 8:26 p.m. Eastern Time. So eBay's current date and time. Right click, reload. It's currently Monday, February 17th at 12:17 a.m. Eastern Time. So we are broadcasting live on Breakers TV here. So 401. And these were boxes 7 and 8 from the case. So the last two boxes, our serial numbers are 770674239728 and 3246, and the last number is blocked. Go to our boxes. 770674239728, 3246, and the last number is blocked by that. Over the shrink wrap, and then we'll get started. Sealed. Okay, so I'll set you guys up here. Serial number one more time, and we will get started. So here we go, guys. Good luck. Nine, 7, 2, 8. Yeah, I think we're waiting for our case hit still, or our rookie case hit, anyways. And hopefully another big card with it too. So good luck, guys. We'll be starting a new case of Dominion tomorrow night. Nice. Here we go. Good luck, guys. So we got base of Tyson Barrie, 86 of 299 with the Avalanche. We got base of Brad Marchand out of 299 for the Boston Bruins. Got Mammoth jersey for the Chicago Blackhawks, 48 of 50, Duncan Keith. And we have a nice Dominion auto rookie patch for the Anaheim Ducks of Rickard Rakell, 49 of 50. Rickard Rakell. We got Scott Clemenson. Auto rookie, or no, jersey, 81 of 99 for the Florida Panthers. We got short print rookie for the Edmonton Oilers of Nail Yakupov, 24 of 199. Nice hit there for Edmonton. So whoever has the Oilers, if you want tracking on it, just let me know. We'll make arrangements on it. So nice hit there for Edmonton. 2, 4, 6, and last number blocked. Turn those around, bring that to the front. So 6 cards. There we go. So we got Bobby Ryan out of 299 for the Ottawa Senators. There is a 3-color one. Actually, Brian got that one. And then we have, so that's Bobby Ryan for the Senators. We got Dominion auto patch of Bobby Ryan, 48 of 99, so it says true to the Senators there. And Senators out of, or Senators on the back. So Bobby Ryan is for the Ottawa Senators. And then we have Base gold of Claude Giroux at 50 for the Flyers. Redemption for rookie patch autograph of Jonas Brodin for the Minnesota Wild. So whoever is Minnesota, you can eBay message the code if you like. Oh, nice hit. We got complete sweaters. Number 1 of 25 of Alex Ovechkin. Number 1 of 25. Jersey, fight strap, prime, and patch. 3-color patch. Nice hit there for Washington. And we finish the break off with Chris Terry base gold rookie gold auto 38/50. So that concludes the break, guys. So we got new case of Dominion starting tomorrow and SP game news for tomorrow, and everything will go out on Tuesday because tomorrow is a holiday.